Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:21 p.m., March 22nd, 2021, Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. I do have maybe some good news. We'll see about that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Some great comments on Friday. That led me to take some action today, dealing with Tradestation, and I will get into that in a few minutes. Let me go over the trading. Today, I was more focused on getting things done. I had other things I had to do versus trading, and the market kind of opened up kind of not the way I really wanted it to. Like, it was fine. It just didn't really set up a lot of times for me. I had to step away for an hour, and then I was on a phone call. So that led me to trading pretty lightly today. We had some sluggish type plays. Although the markets were up, we had the NFTs back in play. Apple, I took a trade on. And let me bring up my trades, actually. Okay, put them in right order. I finished the day 192 up, which is good, no doubt. I had one secondary ones look today on JFIN at 1040. I did not trade it. I think it was this one here. These are 5-minute candles, but it made a nice move back up, and look what it did. It ended up rolling up to 1460 from this 11 area down here. Really nice. News plays, there's two major ones. Actually, one major one I got in on and got out, and that kind of I didn't take advantage. Actually, no, I'm sorry. There was two, and I didn't take advantage of either. I got a piece, but I just didn't take advantage of the full move. So STON was just kind of doing this thing early, and then I tried taking like this move on this candle here, and it backfired. I lost $76. OCG, I got out. It's just OCG, the NFTs, HOFV, WKEY, TKAT were all just whippy. So I was just hoping to get my piece and move on. The news on CLPS, I think, came directly from Benzinga right here at 11:32. I have it written down. Yeah, it was on this candle here. Give me a second over here. I'm bringing up something on my other screen. That way I can see exactly when I entered that CLPS. 11:33 at 578. So here I am getting in at 578. There. Pretty good entry for a news trade, right? I get in with 100 shares. I didn't go in with 300. And I sell at 584. Okay. So 6 cents, something like that. It went against me at first. I was just the first one in. I mean, there was a bunch of us, of course, but I was one of the first ones in. You can see the volume kick in here, and it went all the way up to $6.74. $1. So I left 94 cents without really much pain. Once it went through my level, like once it got back to green, I closed out the trade. It never looked back. The whole day. So that was a miss on an entry for news, even though I got a little piece. WKEY was one of those other NFTs I got on this one at 1. Yep. So here it is. I'm looking at my other screen at 1108 was my price of entry right here. Okay. This was my matrix actually was slow, and I was in the green. I was like, ding, ding, in for 300 shares, ding, ding, out with 300 shares. And I walked away with $39. Okay, so my exit was 1147, which is down here, and it went all the way up to 1389. Okay, so between the WKEY and the CLPS, two major news plays today, I just didn't let them work. And I left hundreds of dollars on minimal shares. My risk was really only on this one, maybe 30 cents on 300 shares, maybe 40 cents at the most if it pulled back hard. It did get whippy, but I got to be willing to commit if I'm going to do this news trading. But it's awesome. I'm really digging it. And I'm just kind of laying back. I'm laying back on some other stuff, not putting myself at harm's way. Like TKAT, I did okay on that with a 100 share trade. Looking back at my trade, I was in at 1032 at 28.78. I was in on this candle. I was in at 28.78 and got out at 29.30. Not a bad gain, 100 shares, but look, 52.20. So you get the point here. I'm still not hanging in there. Let it run, let it work. I was in and out. I'm doing that. I'm scalping too much. I mean, it's okay. I like scalping, but in this type of trade, it did go against me a little bit, so I got a little bit, sketched out. That's when it went green, I took some shares off. I mean, those spreads were dropping 40 cents. And it's a tricky trader. There's no doubt that TKAT is one of the tougher traders right now. Big mover. You can see it on the daily here. But other than that, Apple, it was another one. I got in early, got in down in this level, didn't went against me, and then I got out with the rest of my shares. But look what I ended up doing. I'm going like 2 points after my gain. I was in at this candle here. Got some off and, made $62. CTIC, another one. So 192, I'll take it because my day was kind of busy and my head wasn't fully into trading today. And I talked to the guys at Tradestation on Friday, and they contacted me today saying support will contact you. And they contacted me and we talked. I was actually on the phone for an hour and a half. We went screen by screen of my trade setup. And he's like, he looked at my processor because it's new. He looked at everything. And he's like, you have a pretty good system. In fact, he said I had an awesome system. But let's just go through the settings and see what you have running and see what might be going and causing issues. So we reduced a few things. I have 6 things labeled out to discuss in a video this weekend that might help. I did have charting issues this morning, the first 10 minutes, but I didn't. We made the fix around 1:30, 2 o'clock, and I did not have any charting issues the rest of the day. So I'm going to keep out on it tomorrow. I want to see what happens. And if it comes out clean tomorrow, if I have a clean day of charting and data, I will do a video on this weekend, and I'll share that with you guys, almost like a top 5 tips of speeding up your Tradestation or something like that. All right. So hope you guys had a good trading day. Make sure you comment below, share the video, and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate that. We got a lot of new subscribers, so get involved. And if you had charting issues or data issues, when I do that video, make sure you comment and share like what you have set up, and we can hopefully figure it all out together, because basically we are helping support at Tradestation figure this out. Okay, so we'll go from there, and you guys have a good night.